morning everyone. My name is Vishnu from 8th grade. I am here to introduce the nation movement of India. The Indian nation movement was a prolonged struggle from independence from British colonial rule. It spanned over a century and encompassing the diverse philosophies and leaders. They are divided into three phases. They are moderate phase. The Indian National Congress was formed in 1885, initially focusing on constitutional reformers within the British framework. Leaders like Dadabhai Naoroji and Gopal Krishna Gokhale sought gradual change. Extremists, led by the figures Balagangadhar Tilak, this phrase witnessing more radical approaches, including boycotts of British goods and calls from civil disobedience. Gandhian era. Mahatma Gandhi emerged as a political leader, campaigning non-violence and satyagraha. Mass movements like non-cooperation and civil disobedience movement gained momentum. Conclusion: the Indian national movement was a struggle for independence, complex and shaped the course of Indian history. It inspired the freedom movements in the world. Thank you.